Hello, today in this video we will talk about the difference between polka dot plant and Fitunia plant, also known as the nerve plant. Before talking about the differences, let's discuss some of the similarities that they share. First, many people think they are same, maybe because of their similar look, but they are not. Polka dot and nerve plant have attractive pattern leaves. They both come in many colors like pink, red, white. They both love humidity. If you are in a dry area, sprinkle some water on them on daily basis. Next, water need. Polka dot and the nerve plant have similar kind of water need. They love moist soil but not too wet. Don't allow the soil to dry out. For watering, always check the soil by sticking your finger in it 1 to 2 inches down, then watering only if top layer of soil is dry. Make sure the soil is well draining and the planters have sufficient drainage holes. Polka dot and nerve plant are small in size and they are ideal for house plants. Now let's talk about the differences. Polka dot and nerve plant have patterns on their leaves but little different from one another. In nerve plant, the patterns look a lot like lines, but in polka dot plants, patterns are like colorful spots or patches of color. Next is light requirement. Polka dot plants need lots of bright but indirect sunlight. You can put these plants indoor also, but close to the window where they can get bright sunlight. And for nerve plant, they can grow well even in low light conditions, but in both cases, hot summer afternoon light can cause leaf burn. Height difference is also there. Polka dot is taller than nerve plant. So at the end of this video, the conclusion is polka dot and nerve plant make fantastic indoor plants. Both plants have different colorful patterns. They are easy to grow, easy to maintain plants. Just make sure drainage of water is working properly, soil is not soggy, and second is right amount of sunlight. They are getting right amount of sunlight. I hope this video will help you in recognizing the similarities and the difference between polka dot and nerve plant. Thank you so much for watching.